Hi guys, welcome to my channel on Made Easy. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a square equal in area to a given rectangle. Guys, if you're new on this channel, can you please click on the subscribe button? So let's look at the question that we have for the day. Draw a square equal in area to a given rectangle with sides 10 by 5. So the first step is to draw the given rectangle. So bring out your drawing instruments, your ruler, your pencils, and your set square. Bring out the rectangle using the length, which is 10, and the breadth of the rectangle, which is 5 centimeters. So step 2, name the rectangle as shown, A, B, C, and D. Step 3, extend DC at C. So bring out your ruler and extend line DC at C. Okay. The next step is to use the radius of BC. Bring out your protractor. Bring out your protractor, take the radius of BC and use it to draw an arc. To draw an arc on line DC. So this is the radius of BC. Use it to draw an arc on line DC at point E. So you name this point as point E. The next thing is to bisect line DE. Remember, when you want to bisect a line, you pick a radius that is more than half of the line. So to bisect line DE, center at D, you strike an arc, center at DE, you strike an arc above and below. Okay, you strike an arc above and you also strike it below. Then you take it to point E and you repeat the same procedure. Strike an arc above and strike it below. So this line is called the bisector. From there, we'll move on to the next step, which is to draw a semicircle. We have to erect a semicircle on DE. So how do we draw the semicircle? Just place your protractor at the midpoint, the point where you did the bisection. So center at the midpoint of line DE, you draw a semicircle. So you draw a semicircle this way. Okay. Step 6, extend line DC to touch the semicircle at a point. You extend line BC to touch the semicircle at a point in order for you to get one side of the square. Remember, a square has 4 equal sides. So we are going to extend line BC to touch the semicircle. So bring out your ruler and extend line BC to touch the semicircle. Very good. So the next thing to do is to take the measurements. Take the measurements, bring out your ruler and measure line CF. This is line CF. The new point is point F, the new point on the semicircle. So take the measurement of CF, That gives you one side of the square. That gives you one side of the square. So from my measurement, I have 7.05. So the next thing is to complete the square. You can complete the square using the given measurements. Complete the square using the given measurement. So now I have 7.05. So I'm going to transfer the measurements to the base. I'll bring out 7.05 on the second side. All right, so I can now mark this point as the second side. Okay, so that means I've gotten two sides of the square. So the next thing is just to complete the square. How do we complete the square? You can use your set square to extend the line in order to get a perfect 90-degree. So you extend the line, then you can measure at the same time. So I will extend my line and I'll bring out my ruler to take the measurements to be sure I have the same measurements. So I'll check my measurements to be 7.05. Okay, so mark out 7.05. That gives the third measurement. With that, you can easily complete the square. You can easily complete the square. So this is how to draw a square equal in area to a given rectangle. How do I prove my construction? So you can prove this by using the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. Now, when you want to find the area of a rectangle, the given rectangle is 10 by 5. The given rectangle is 10 by 5. 10 multiplied by 5 gives us 50. Equals 50. Then when you want to find the area for the square, we have one of the sides is 7.05. So multiply it by 7.05. 7.05. We'll have 49.7. Approximately, we have 50. So this is how to construct a square with a given rectangle that is equal in area.